Hi guys, welcome to tutorial 8, question 2. Let's do this. As always, I'm going to put the question right over here. Pause the video, read it over yourself, and we'll go through it together. Alright, so looking at GCD1, the question is asking for if the code is correct or not. And yeah, GCD1 is still correct. And you know, when you give A to equal to 1, the precondition forces B for the next iteration to be 1. So it's kind of unnecessary to check that A is equivalent to 1 here too. But GCD1 is still correct. Now looking at GCD2, this might return the correct answer sometimes, but the correctness proof of it will fail because we can kind of violate the precondition with a recursive call. For example, let's give it an example. GCD2, and then the first parameter for A is going to be 8, and the second parameter is going to be 4. If you go into if you go through the code, it's not going to go into the if statement. It's going to go to the else statement. It's going to say return GCD2, so it's going to recursively call it on, the first parameter being a 4 because that's what B was, and A mod B, 8 mod 4, which is going to give you a 0. But here's the problem: we don't know how that's going to work in the perspective of the correctness, because the precondition states that A and B are both integers that are bigger than or equal to 1. But now somehow we gave it a 0. That's where it will break and violate the precondition. And we have to change the precondition in order for this to be fine. And, we're going to say, the integers A and B are integers that are bigger than or equal to 0. And that will give it a proof of correctness. Alright guys, that'll be all for this question. I'll see you guys in the next video.